So we are in Lego City. It's all made out of Lego bricks. It's amazing. It's really cool. Even the trucks, like a lot of trucks move. Or was moving. This is Sweden. Here we are at Lego City and we're at Crail. It's really cool.
You hear the bagpipes in the background?
Whoop whoop. There's even the bus called Nessie Line. There's a guy in a kilt on this little castle here.
Is this Crail as well? Yeah, all this thing will be Crail, won't it?
Yeah, that's Crail over there.